It's Friday, October 3rd. I'm buying some Netflix 1150 calls at 23.19. This is here on the strong 15-minute reversal bar at a key level. I described how I bought puts early in the session to see if this might turn into a negative type day. To me, this green bar is big enough to show that this is just a testing of yesterday's kind of buying tail down here at a key green line level. And we're heading back up into the first bar range. So I'm going to see if this ultimately follows through higher now. We had the reversal day yesterday at a key level. We did come down today and potentially had the price action that could have followed through and continued lower, but instead it bounced very strongly off this line here. So I'm going to go now with an aggressive play that on the daily chart we took out a key pivot. This could be higher highs, lower lows, and now the beginning of a start to higher highs on a stock that I think is in an overall uptrend. So if it got through this level, it could have fallen a little bit further, but overall you could see the strong uptrend in play. So now let's see if this becomes ultimately the broadening action, lower lows on the daily chart that eventually, start to move back up through the range. And to me, this bar right here signifies, the start of that possibly. So what has to happen here, obviously, we got to get through the midpoint of the first bar. It's almost like yesterday's close, the yellow line. We got to kind of take out yesterday's high, which it did already, and I was seeing if it was going to be a failure. So we're still in 2-up mode with plenty of time to go to start reaching some targets up here. So let's see if some strong price action to the upside now develops on Netflix, and if any pullback from this thrust up is just kind of brief and orderly, and then that would signify we're again going to try to head up. But maybe after this bar we just continue straight up to these levels. Either way, I'm playing the big picture context that this green line holds. If I see price action that says that that's not happening, then I'll exit the trade. If so, this could be the start of a very nice reversal at a key area. So we'll find out by the end of the day, and we will find out as intraday price action unfolds.